Disciple Tools and Make.com integration. First scenario workflow. Getting started guide. You will be taken through the following 6 steps to get you up and running. Step 1. Make.com registration. Step 2. Initial login. Step 3. Create a DT site link. Step 4. Make.com scenario configuration. Step 5. Make.com scenario workflow run. Step 6. DT created record sanity check. Step 1. Make.com registration. If you have not already done so, register a new Make.com account. Step 2. Initial login. Once you have completed the registration process and log in to Make.com for the first time, you will be presented with a My Organization dashboard. Step 3. Create a DT site link. A site link token shall be required in order to successfully establish a connection between Disciple Tools and Make.com. Ensure the token as transfer key is selected, whilst also making a note of generated token, which will be required a little later. Step 4. Make.com scenario configuration. Return back to the Make.com dashboard and create a new scenario. A very simple scenario workflow shall be created, which processes a Google spreadsheet, populated by Google Form responses. Then, creates a new DT record using the Disciple Tools Create Post Type Record module. First, create the Google step within the scenario workflow. Next, we shall create the DT step by searching for the Disciple Tools custom application. Then, select the Create Post Type Record module and create a connection to the target DT instance and fill out URL, API and post type information. Now, map the presented DT post type fields against the incoming fields from the connected module and save scenario settings. Step 5. Make.com scenario workflow run. In order to test our workflow, simply click the Run Once option in the bottom left corner of the editor view. On a successful run, all modules should be in a green state. View module outputs to sanity check processed data. Step 6. DT created record sanity check. As a final sanity check, navigate to your DT instance and confirm submitted record has indeed been created. Congratulations, as you now have a functioning Make.com scenario workflow. From this point forward, you are free to explore integrating the DT Create module with other apps more suitable to your use case. Happy making!